Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, Perry County, Ohio. I got Colton and Tommy Thompson, and we just banged ourselves a nice tom. Good job, Colton.
Oh my goodness.
Blowed his tail feathers out.
Wow, that was
I could care less. I'll take the beard and the spurs.
Grab hold of that beard, buddy. Let's get a look at that thing. There you go. Nice beard.
Yeah, it is.
Good job, buddy.
It's a way to start turkey season out.
Yes, it is. I mean, like 15 minutes into the season, man.
Oh my gosh. And I hope that boy got his too.
I ain't in the business of fucking around.
I heard him come out of that tree.
I just went. Well, he flew the right way. Is what I was happy about.
He's on a rope, buddy.
Yeah.
Get his spurs up there. Let's have a look
You
at it.
got pretty nice bird too.
Probably 3/4.
Yeah,
Close to an inch.
He's a 2-year-old bird.
All right, all right.
Hope that boy got his too over there.
Now you gotta haul that thing up out of here, right?
Oh, I'll do it.
Look at this hill we gotta go up.
I'll do it.
Get your bird on. I'm gonna take a picture of you with him on your back. Let me how to breast this son bitch out. All right, get your bird. I want to take a picture. Put him over your back.
Oh man. Where did I hit him at? Did I hit him
In the
front?
head. Pick him up. Picture of that.
Watch it. Well, you can't see that. It looks like a turkey with legs.
Here. Get-
Oh, he'll have blood all over him. Don't worry about
I
that.
don't care about the boy.
Well, your seat's down.
What?
Here,
Oh, here.
put your seat up. Me. It's unloaded.
Yeah.
I was worried that we should have been down here
No,
on this flat,
You need to. That's why I was
But-
trying to tell you from the road. Go clear to the end of the time.
but I'm glad we didn't because he was sitting right in that tree. We'd have busted him out.
That's why I said go to the end of the time. I didn't know if you did or not. That's what I was telling.
Yeah, you said go to the end of the pines. That's why I come right to this edge.
Dad, what tree were you sitting at?
Ugh.
Yeah, I'm gonna find the shell. I don't care about the decoy. I could have shot that thing in the smithereens.
That can make good money doing it.
Listen to the BBs inside of it.
Hey, he shot my decoy.
I told you, didn't think I was joking.
Listen to the BBs.
Oh man,
He shot my decoy.
that's my decoy actually.
He killed my decoy too.
Hey,
Look at
don't
the
worry.
holes in his decoy's head.
Where? Where? Oh my goodness.
Right there, you shot my decoy.
Hey, the turkey was standing right there by him. When he came up right here, I was gonna shoot him, but
Hey,
he
Chad,
moved right
that
behind
looks
that
stuck
tree.
in there.
Oh, he was
Oh, keep him in there. Oh, my folks chicken, they're both my decoys. Oh my goodness. Here's the shell, baby.
What you do is you cut that off just right about the end of the haul and take your beard and clear coat it in that casing and make you a necklace. Just glad when he flew down, I see.